Hi, I'm Frank. I'm a fire and safety technician for Preventive Fire. One of the big problems I see on a day-to-day basis when we are doing fire inspections on fleets and individual trucks is these trucks don't have, or if they do have a first aid kit, it's in some sort of disarray if they have one at all. We offer a truck kit. This is a metal first aid kit that's a condensed version of our 3-shelf industrial kit. It has all of the stuff you'd find in that kit, from gauze, bandages, ointments, burn, antiseptics, ammonia wipes, eye wash, which is needed by DOT, and ice packs. The kits that I come across, or the trucks I come across, either have no kit, they have empty kits, and if that truck driver gets pulled over by DOT, which happens often, and they don't have a DOT approved first aid kit, they're looking at a fine. This kit will take care of that. This meets all the DOT approvals. Having the eye wash and everything else that you see in this kit will keep them safe and also compliant with DOT. This kit is designed to be hung in a truck. It's metal, it won't break if it falls or drops, and it's also in library form, so if they pull something out, everything else doesn't fall out with it. For more information on this, you can contact me at Preventive Fire, or just go on the website, preventivefire.com, and we will get back with you with any questions.